The users of GelatoPassport Plus, after the columns with the nutritional values and the gelato parameters, will find this line that is particularly useful. These are the parameters of your recipe that you can copy and paste in your database. This means, for example, that you can create a milk base of your own, and then you can save the balancing parameters and the nutritional values of your milk base in your own database. So clicking on Edit Database Gelato, you will open your own personal database, and you can simply copy and paste the values of your recipe into the database. After we've done that, we will find a new line in our ingredient list with the recipe we just created. This is very useful when we want to use a recipe of our own as an ingredient. After this, you can see we move to another part. This is simply an overview of your recipe. Why it's here? Because, as you know, you cannot save recipes in the GelatoPassport app, but in this way you can simply copy and paste it into an Excel sheet, for example, or into another document, your recipe, and save it for your archive. There's more. You remember at the beginning we said we wanted to produce 3 kilos. If we are in the middle of production, we can click Start Production of 3 kilos, and we will get a list of the ingredients and their amount. Not only, we can also move them up and down if we want to change the order, so if we want to adjust them to our production order. And when we are adding one ingredient, we can also check it so that I'm sure at which point I am of my recipe.